Gold is another thing that's on people's minds. But I want to show you something. Cameco is up 4% after TD upgrades. Uranium focus shifts away from oversupply. Cameco CCJ climbs as much as 8% after TD Securities upgrade the shares to a buy from a hold with, I don't know what that is, price target raised from 14, saying that the supply discipline commitments by large producers is moving price power into their hands from nuclear utilities. So everybody's talking about gold, right? So now I'm going to show you the power of the software again. I'm going to go back to that Unisearch tool, and I did a 10-day RT delta to find the drilling companies. Now I'm going to do a 10-day price delta. I'm looking still as of yesterday, and from there, man, what happened? That's petroleum. I had a mining, I forget what happened. I had a mining, let's go do this. 659, 459, 359, click on OK. Let's run it again. I had an industry that was up here that was in the top 10, mining uranium. It's trying to do it for me as of yesterday's close. It's having an issue. I apologize for that. But the difference is that this was a delta on the industry price. The percentage change on industry price, and for the sake of time, it was mining uranium. Where is it? It's still not here. That's interesting. That's the hard thing about doing these prior to today. My data could be a little different, and I apologize for that. But it was mining uranium that was amongst the top 10. And I'm not sure why I can't get it to pull up now. But it was mining uranium. So it actually took me a little bit away from the gold space to show that uranium was more on the rise than gold. So I'm going to go back to my graphs. Oops, go back to my viewers. All right, and let's go back to my watch list for today. I am looking at one gold stock today, though. Another hot stock, Kinross Gold, KGC, but CCJ is also in here, which is a uranium stock. And it was because of the delta change in price on industries where I found that was the rock and rolling stock. All right, ENPH, right now overvalued. Cameco, close to overvalued as well. Upside potential. Sorry, take off end phase. There we go. Actually, Kinross Gold is a slightly bit undervalued. That's good. Upside potential on Kinross Gold is there. Cameco's upside potential is not there. Safety on Kinross Gold is a little risky. It's not above 1, but it's a little better than Cameco, which is at 0.83. Notice that both stocks, though, are moving higher. All right, 1.94 on a scale between 0 and 2 for Kinross Gold. Stock is still moving. So is Cameco, which is in mining uranium. And many of you may not understand that in that same space, uranium may be on the rise. So at least I'm giving you an idea about possible stock. Now, Cameco, though, grows their earnings at a negative rate, whereas Kinross Gold grows their earnings at a positive rate. Both of them are buy recommendations. And when I'm looking at CI, Kinross Gold goes up more than goes down because of its higher CI. Let's look at these graphs. So keep in mind that Cameco is an industry that's on the rise. All right, if an industry is on the rise, what's the stocks in the industry must be doing? Rising. Look at that beautiful move above the 20-day exponential moving average and just rocking and rolling. Earnings doesn't look all that great. If we go to Kinross Gold, it does look good too, above the 20-day exponential moving average, but a little bit of a sideways move. I like earnings better on Kinross Gold. So Kinross Gold is more of a solid play, whereas CCJ is more of a speculative play, but I know that that industry, the mining uranium industry, is on the rise. That may not be a bad stock to look at. Still don't think I want to hold it long term. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.